Fresh off their historic CAF Champions League triumph, Egyptian giants Pyramids FC are pulling out of all the stops to keep hold of their star striker Fiston Mayele, the man who tormented both Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates en route to continental glory. According to reports from veteran Egyptian journalist Khaled El Ganda, Pyramids have made an audacious contract offer worth between $3 million and $4 million per season, approximately 55 million to 74 million rand, in a bid to convince the Congolese hitman to stay in Cairo. Mayele, who joined Pyramids last season, has been nothing short of sensational. He netted 9 times in the Champions League campaign, finishing as the tournament's top scorer and earning the Golden Boot. His decisive goals in the semi-finals against Orlando Pirates and again in the final against Sundowns played a pivotal role in delivering the Sky Blues' first ever continental title, which they sealed with a 3-2 aggregate win over the South African champions. Domestically, the 3-year-old forward has also left his mark. He consistently in front of goal helped Pyramids FC finish second in the Egyptian Premier League, while also guiding the team to Egypt Cup final, where they are set to face Zamalek SC. Despite the club's desire to retain his services, Al Gaunda revealed that Mayele has no intention of renewing his stay at the club, and said Mayele's career with Pyramids FC will end at the end of the current season. The player will leave after the Zamalek and Pyramids match in the Egypt Cup final. He has received incredible offers exceeding $3 million and reaching $4 million per season. The player is currently earning $1 million per season at Pyramids but has made it clear that he refuses to continue. Pyramids FC, aware of his immense value and contribution, are hoping the substantial new offer will persuade him to reconsider. However, with the interest mounting and lucrative offers reportedly on the table, Mayele appears ready for a new chapter. Back in South Africa, speculation is once again swirling around a potential move to Soweto Giants Amakosi. The former Young Africans forward previously confirmed discussions with Amakosi head coach Nasruddin Nabi, adding further intrigue to his next destination. For now, the spotlight remains firmly on Mayele as the season draws to a close. Whether he stays or seeks a new challenge elsewhere, his legacy at Pyramids FC and in the 2024-2025 CAF Champions League is already etched in history. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.